morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's Shaylee. Today is gonna be a summer day in my life. Right now it is 10 o'clock and Roy is working out downstairs right now, so we're gonna go down and watch her for a bit. Right now we are gonna get ready and we have a few things we want to do today. We want to get lunch, go to a museum, possibly lay out by the pool, and maybe a movie tonight. We got the fit on, we got the hair done and the makeup done. I'm wearing a skirt from PacSun. This tank top is from Garage. I'm wearing some brown Havaianas. And then I got my jewelry on. I think these glasses are from Amazon. Right now I'm gonna make some cookies and we're gonna make some sandwiches for lunch. So we are back from the museum. It is 2:30 right now and I got a package from You to the People. So I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. I actually don't know what they sent me, so we're gonna see. How do you even open this box? Oh wow, they sent me 4 products. If this is their cleansing.
It is.
Shut up. No way. Oh my gosh, I've heard such great things about the cleanser.
Oh wow.
I heard this is so good for sensitive
Is it
skin,
glass?
so this is perfect. Yeah, it's glass. And then they also sent me their moisturizer.
It's almost 3.
And then this is their sunscreen. It's SPF 60. Perfect for the pool. We're actually going there now, so I'm gonna try this out. And then the last thing is their vitamin C Bright Cell Dark Spot Serum. This is everything I need for my skin, honestly. Thank you so much, Youth to the People. I'm so excited to use this. I just got out the shower and I want to put on my new skincare I just got from Youth to the People. I'm gonna put on the vitamin C Dark Spot Skin Tone Serum first and then go in with their moisturizer cream. It is 5 o'clock right now and we're gonna start making dinner. We are gonna make hard shell tacos tonight, so I'm gonna cut up the avocados, bell peppers, and onions, and then Roy's gonna make the meat. So my camera died, but we finished making the tacos. They look delicious. o'clock right now, and we're about to watch the WNBA Commissioner's Cup Championship game. It's the Aces versus New York Liberty, and apparently whoever wins this game, they get like $30,000 each, so it's a really big game if you guys don't watch WNBA. So that's gonna start right now, and while I'm watching this, I'm gonna actually edit a video. So the game's still going. We're in the fourth quarter, 71-75, New York. And I went down to get some packages, so we're gonna unbox them. And I'll show you guys what I got. I'm so excited about these, yes! These are my Bershka Army Green Capris. I'm so excited to style these. And then the other package is from Archie's Footwear. They were so kind in sending me 2 pairs of their flip-flops. So I got their navy blue ones. And these flip-flops are thicker and they're supposed to be more supportive on your feet. And I also got a tan color.
Wow, you didn't give me any. It's crazy.
Thank you so much, Archie's, for the flip-flops. So the game just finished and New York Liberty won. Right now it's almost 10 o'clock, so I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.